Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. In this video, I just want to show you guys how I've been trading ticker TSLA, Tesla. Tesla, when it's actually uptrending on the daily chart, that's when I like to day trade it the best. So what I do with Tesla, and the key here is you have to have a margin account. Is basically I just scalp this. And as you can see, I've already, sold twice. I buy 100 shares, and when it gets up to $100, I just sell it. So here I am right now, or close to $100. It just depends on how the candlesticks are all moving. So as you can see, that massive drop that just happened right there, it's probably going to start downtrending on this 5-minute chart. So I'm going to watch this a little bit more, but this is the only ticker I've been in today. I decided to sleep in, and I missed all the good plays today. There was a lot of great plays. Could have made a lot of money, but so being lazy will get you. So basically just woke up, came right in here. I didn't even bother getting a shower, so I'm being the stinky kid today. But I mean, at least I brushed my teeth. So so yeah, this is what happens when you decide to be lazy. You miss all the good stuff. But with Tesla though, you just need to know how to trade it. And I'm probably just going to sell and take a loss on this trade here. Hold on a second. Let's see if this candlestick, turns and stays green. But so yeah, hopefully this gives you a little bit of insight on how I like to just scalp Tesla. Like I said, once you know how to trade it, you can continuously just keep tapping this one as long as you're getting the setup that you want, or not want, that actually works for when it's uptrending. The thing is, right now Tesla, it's hard to short it, at least for TD Ameritrade. They don't have shares to short, and I'm not bothering to call them up to try to find some. But okay, so it kind of rebounded, but being up $36 right now, that's really nothing for Tesla. As you saw a minute ago, it was like $70 and it dropped to 30. So yeah, definitely, if you have a margin account and you're able to buy in to a larger cap stock like Tesla, and once you know how to trade it, you can keep tapping this a few times a day and pull off. I'm only buying 100 shares right now, but you can pull off. If it works out for you, I don't want to say easily, because I don't want to make trading sound too easy, because trading is not easy. It's just, when you're experienced, you know what to look for. So basically, I guess the best way to say it is, it's easier when you're experienced and you know the setups that you want, and you're disciplined enough to not try to chase something too far, lock in your profits, and not to take such a loss that you destroy your profits. So as long as you work within a set of parameters, you can trade something like Tesla, which it trades crazy. I'll be honest, it trades crazy. But Tesla tends to be a good day trading stock. So, you know, you can make, you know, $400, $500, $600, just depending on how much, you know, you're working with. I like to just do 100 shares because, I mean, it's still $35,000, and that's a ton of money. And you know, I just really don't want to get too overboard. I have traded a lot more in Tesla, but not scalping. So, anyways, I hope this kind of gives you a little bit of insight on how I make some other trades besides the one setup that I teach in my free stock trading course. And you know, and how I make some money. Like obviously today, like I said, you know, just being lazy, man. Just wanted to sleep in. Well, I can't say it cost me money because I didn't actually make it, but I missed out on a lot of opportunity today. So, anyways, I hope your week has been awesome for you guys. I hope you guys stayed green. I had a pretty decent week this week. And hey, you know, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next one.